Quickly mark surfaces such as walls and doors with the Diagraph One-Shot Ink Roller. For the first use, screw together the assembly and press the button 20 times to prime the ink. Then, roll onto a piece of scrap paper until the roller is evenly coated. Next, spray the back of your stencil with Repositionable Spray Adhesive and press to your surface. Roll ink through the stencil without pressing too hard. Color right up to the design edges before peeling off the stencil. Remember to use repositionable spray on the back of your stencil, wait 30 seconds, and press it to the surface. Use the ink roller through the stencil in various directions for full coverage. The spray adhesive remains tacky for many uses on multiple surfaces. Diagraph's one-shot ink roller systems work well on multiple surfaces from wood, metal, and most plastics. Use our stencils inside and outside with the Diagraph one-shot ink roller system. Visit Stencilease.com to place an order today.